Okay, so now we are opening this CCTV camera. So I just ordered it from Amazon. So let us view this. Now the brand is, we got this bill and this TP Link, which is very known, common, renowned name in the Wi-Fi cameras. The best thing is it has so many reviews from so many people around the world, and it's just a very low with the cost. And when I'll tell you the cost, you will be surprised. And I checked the review of it. I checked its all the qualities. What this camera does, it's a 360 camera. Tapo with the company brand TP Link, which is very renowned in this. Yes, so it has all those qualities. We got this 1-year warranty. The original cost of this product is 4490. Okay, but we are getting this in 2700 something. We got a adapter. Okay, then certain quick start guide. Okay, then what we have, ये चीज़ क्या है, general public license notice. Okay, we got these screws. Okay, the main thing, this camera. I just ordered this camera for my home, which has lot of features in it, lot of varieties. This is a 360-degree camera. TP Link is a brand, Tapo, and it has motion detection. It has 2K definition. It has a card slot also, SD card, micro SD card you can install, और नाइट विजन व्यू भी बहुत अच्छा है इसका. और one camera is enough for various all the angles. About this camera, there are a lot of good reviews from all over the world. You can install in your home very well, and it will give you a good response. It just need to install with a mobile application, and you can give instructions to it.